Welcome to Tightline Adventures. We're here today on Banks Lake in eastern Washington. It's just right outside of Coulee City, and just below the Coulee Dam. So we're out here and we're here for walleye today. So super excited, love walleye fishing. Can't wait to start walleye fishing again. It's been a while. We tried to go out in late January and the fish were just way inactive and super deep. So we striked out, but we're here to give it another shot. We hear they're biting and we're really excited. So join us. Morning, Nolan.
Good morning, Elsa.
How we doing today?
We are doing good. We're out at Banks Lake this morning. Beautiful morning. The wind's supposed to start picking up either later today or tomorrow. We're gonna try fishing all day today and then fish a little bit in the morning. And the walleye bite is on. The parking lot was full. We're just going to use a bottom bouncer and a worm harness today. We kind of go with different varieties of colors. These got a black smile blade with some glow beads, and we'll tip the hooks with the worm.
Awesome.
Try that.
I'm excited to do some walleye fishing today with you, Nolan.
Let's go fishing.
Let's go fishing.
That's what it should look like.
What are we doing now, Nolan?
Getting a third rod out. We've got a plug with the planer board, and the plug's going to be suspended about 20 to 25 feet.
All right.
Get us out away from the boat a little bit and dive down. See if we could find some fish out there.
All right. So we got the planer board out. Got this line out. About 53 feet. Marking fish low and a little bit higher. It's a perch. Oh wow, nice perch though.
I'm not going to shoot these.
No, but that's a nice one, huh?
Yeah.
Really pretty. Look at that. If you're ever in Coulee City and you decide to come and do some fishing on Banks Lake, Alacozy, highly recommend it. Good morning, day 2, Nolan.
Good morning. Just out here on Banks Lake again, trying it. Yesterday was really good weather, but not good as far as catching fish. Caught a few perch, and that was it. A lot of boats out, seen some fish caught, but I don't think the numbers are quite where they need to be yet. So we're going to try the south end of the lake and see if we could catch any down here before the wind starts picking up.
All right, let's get us on some walleye.
Hopefully.
It's gotten pretty choppy, pretty windy out here, so we're gonna call it a day. But we did get the one big walleye, so that's nice. Huh, Nolan?
It was good.
Yeah?
Perfect. Good day.
Yeah, it was a good day.
Short day.
Short day. Wish we had more, had gotten more, but it's early in the season, so
Early. We'll get on them.
yeah,
We'll do good.
we'll get on it. So Nolan, how do you think our 2-day trip to Banks Lake went overall?
I think overall it went pretty good. We just got off the water. We're here at the south end of the lake today. And a little bit windy, so we had to get off early. We ended up with one fish. We ran up to midway on the lake this morning, and the wind just started picking up and got to be a little bit too much. So, but overall it's a good day. Wish we would have gotten some more fish, but maybe next time.
Yeah, maybe next time. All right, well, thanks for taking us fishing, Nolan.
You're welcome, and it was fun having you.
Okay, we'll do it again next time here soon. Hopefully get some more walleye fishing in.
Yep.
And yeah, thanks for a good time, and we'll see you next time.
See you next time.
Thank you for joining us in beautiful Banks Lake in Eastern Washington. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your other angler friends, and we'll see you on the water.